Hi everyone. So this will be a short video, but it's almost 3 in the morning. I just woke up from a long nap that I took. But anyway, I went downstairs to get something healthy to eat, Jello. And I made myself some chocolate milk. So I was downstairs and the back door is right there. So everything slightly healing will mostly be outside. So I was hearing this strange noise. I don't know what the noise was. In the morning I'm going to tell my mom about it. But it was a weird, slightly creepy noise. Like, if that noise was through the day, it won't be creepy, but 3 a.m., almost 3 a.m. is creepy, so I'm going to tell my mom about it. But yeah, I'm up here in my room now. I'm watching Degrassi. I'm on season 7, episode 22. Don't Stop Believing. But anyway, I'm just going to sit here, eat my Jello, drink my yogurt. Eat my Jello, drink my chocolate milk, and